Press A to select all, X to delete. Add a plane and let's rotate it to X axis and zoom it out. Press R to rotate X axis by 90 degrees. Then zoom it out. I will scale it down. You can scale it down to your own desire. I will scale it down. Press S to scale it X axis. Then resolve by X and Z. Use your mouse to bring it up. Now let's add some subdivider. Click right on the notepad and go up and see subdivider. I'll add like 50 or more. It depends on your own. You can add your own, whatever you decide to add. Press on the scale on your own. Then, as you can see, everything is okay. Let's select the first top vertices and extrude E to extrude up a little bit. Then we still repeat the same at the bottom, extrude down a little bit. You guys can see. So we need to add some solidify. Let's add solidify, modifier, solidify, modifier. You see, solidify, modifier. Then just click on the default setting. You don't need to do anything on it. So let's put some loop cuts at the center. Ctrl R for loop cuts, in case you don't know. Then put loop cut at the center. After the loop cut, so let's press U to add scene, mark scene. U to add mark scene. After that, let's go to UV editor to unwrap our work. Press U and click unwrap. Go down and select angle base. You see angle base, click on angle base. As you can see. Let's go back to layer editor. Now let's assign data property. Select the first two top vertices. Do the same at the bottom. Same at the bottom, as you can see what I'm doing at the bottom. So let's go to data property. You get to data property. You click on that plus to add new property. Then on that group, double click on the group and change your desired name. Me, I will add up and down. Then after that, just click assign. So that's all. Just click assign. That is all. Now let's go to physics to add clothes modifier. Scroll down to pressure, check pressure, and add a 10 to the pressure. Open catch. Simulation starts from 1 and end by 50. I will added 50. Then open shape. Click on pin group. Click on the group we saved earlier and added it. Shrinking factor to negative is 0.1 factor. It's okay. 0.1 factor is okay. Shrinking factor to click on collision, on mark object collision. On mark object collision. Mark self collision. Scroll down to feed weights. After that, to feed weight, don't graph it to 0. After that, let's scroll up and make all the dynamic.